Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a file manager. First, locate and tap the file manager icon on your device's home screen or app drawer. Upon opening, you will likely be prompted to grant storage permissions. Please allow these for full functionality. Familiarize yourself with the main interface, which typically displays your internal storage and any connected external drives. This initial step is crucial for effective file management. Navigating your files is straightforward. Tap on any folder to open it and see what's inside. To perform actions like copying or moving, simply long press on a file or folder until it's selected. A toolbar will usually appear at the top or bottom of your screen, offering options such as copy, cut, paste, and delete. These basic functions are essential for keeping your digital space organized. Beyond basic operations, file managers offer powerful tools. You can easily create new folders to establish a more structured organization for your documents, photos, and videos. Renaming files or folders is also simple, helping you maintain clear identification. For larger collections, consider compressing files into a zip archive. This saves storage space and makes sharing multiple items much more efficient. To keep your device running smoothly, regularly clear your cache files through the file manager's tools. For sensitive information, utilize features like secure folders or file encryption, which add an extra layer of protection. Always be mindful of what you delete to avoid losing important data. And speaking of organization, check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.